Assalamu Alaikum.
Welcome to week 3 of the 90-day Surah Al-Baqarah Memorization Challenge. Before we begin this week, let's take a moment to revise what we've learned so far. Today is day 14, dedicated to reviewing verses 33 to 61. Use this time to reinforce your memorization, strengthen your connection with the verses, and remember that consistent revision is the key to making these words stay with you.
This week, we're moving forward with verses 62 to 90, building on what we've already memorized. Be sure to follow the daily videos for step-by-step guidance, and take your time to understand the meanings as you go. Consistency and focus are essential, so set aside some quiet time each day for this sacred task. Remember, memorization is not just about retaining words but also about embedding them deeply within our hearts for the sake of Allah. So let's approach this journey with sincerity and dedication.
Keep pushing forward, and may Allah make this path easy and rewarding for you. Don't forget to review today and as often as possible to solidify each verse in your memory. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue with our challenge. Let's make each day count, Insha'Allah.